Hello everyone, welcome to EBS session. Today we will discuss the sources of water. Yesterday we discussed, yes or no? Today we will discuss man-made water sources, which are they. First we will discuss that all important water, animals, plants and human beings need water. Without water we cannot survive our life. So water is important for all of us. All living beings need water. We need water to keep ourselves healthy and grow properly. So we need water many of our day to day daily uses. From morning to night we need water. When we get up we need water. At school also we need water. At home also we need water. Daily activities such as, for example, washing, bathing, cleaning, cooking, the water that we drink and use for our day to day daily needs. But we need a fresh water. Yes or no? We need a fresh water. Which are our fresh water? We'll discuss. Even the plants and animals need water. We know that. Yes or no? The plants and animals need water. Animals need water to drink and bath. Plants need water to live, to grow. Which are the natural sources of water? Natural source of water is river, lakes, wells, pond. Natural source of water. How water will get? The water is, you have shown in the picture, that is 134. Water is nature in always moving. Water nature is always moving, rising up to from clouds and then coming down again as rain. So we get water from rain. Yes, we get water from rain. The source of water, the main source of water are underground, surface water, snow and rainwater. Rainwater fill up the ponds and lakes, and rainwater is also the source of water for streams, rivers, seas and ocean. The rainwater is filled with the streams, rivers, seas and oceans. Understood? So the rainwater that falls on the ground goes deep into the soil. This is called groundwater. It is an important source of water. The rainwater that falls on the ground goes deep into soil. This is called underground groundwater. It is an important source of water. So the snow on the mountain melt in the summer. This water flow into streams and river also. This is also one type of fresh water. Yes, our children. The snow on the mountain melt in the summer. This water flows into streams and rivers. This is fresh water and can be used for drinking. So how do we get water that goes under the ground? People dig wells. Yes, people dig wells. People do the tube wells. Draw underground hand pumps are also used to draw underground water. Small towns and villages, the tube well are used in field where we grow crops. Water from tube wells used to irrigate the crops in the field. Understood? People dig wells and tube wells. They are the man made sources like tube wells and draw groundwater. Hand pumps are also used to draw the groundwater. In small towns and villages, they are used to field grow crops. Tube wells are used in the field. Yes, where we grow crops. Water from tube wells you use to irrigate the crops in field. They are the sources of water. Understood? The sources of water are the rainwater, groundwater, surface water, snow water. These all are the water we will get from the rain. So the snow water is very fresh water. Even also we can drink that. Understood? Even we can use that. So the in town and cities, water is the most home come through taps. Yes, this statement we can agree that, because water is the most homes come through taps. So dam and canals are built to use river water. Yes, So water is collected in a dam. This water is supplied to the homes. This water is also used to produce electricity. This is a one kind of information. Another information I will giving you, that is how the electricity producing. The dam and canals are built to use river water. The water is collected in a dam. This water is supplied in our homes. So this water is also used to produce electricity. Understood? Yes. So the remember here, water is a most essential natural sources. We all need water to survive. We should not waste a single drop. Do not waste a single drop water. Understood? Because it is more and more precious. Okay? Yes. Next, in small and villages, towns, people also obtain water from hand pumps and wells. In places where there are no rivers, lakes or streams, people dig well to get water. Yes. In small towns and villages, people also obtain water from hand pump and well. In places where there are no rivers, only lakes or streams, so people what they will do, dig well to get water. Understood? So people living in the hills obtain water from streams, springs and lakes. Understood? Yes. Tomorrow we will discuss the water we can use. Okay? Bye. Have a good day, children. If you have any doubts are there, please come to call me. Okay? Bye.